Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How. Today we're discussing the easiest ways to make an extra $4,000 a week online. If you're interested in more such videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos. Here we go. Try out a work from home job. Therefore, you can be an officer based in your home for any business and can make $15 an hour. Depending on your capacity, you can work about 8 hours a day and earn over $4,000 a week. May not be your cup of tea when you're running all over the city to shoot photos of or pick up strangers in your car and have a little talk. Instead, you might try to get a home job if you prefer something a little passive and predictable. Although many kinds of remote work, customer service, and virtual call center shows are the most common types, you can also be a freelance writer. Freelance writing is the first and most popular area for creating an online business for both new and old authors. It's in demand in different industries. The beauty of self-employment is that you can select the area in which you feel the best and build your portfolio gradually. You don't need to do challenging tasks to build your account, approach customers, and work on your projects. Only a work device like a laptop and a reliable internet were required. This is the idea of enterprise with little or no funding. Even to students at universities, in the wake of trends, freelance writing is available in vibrant niches such as health, technology, and learning, which will require more talent for organizations and their future projects to continue producing fresh content. Graphic designing is also the way. Graphic designers have the chance to tap into the changing market in the age of digitalization when creators are always appreciated. Multiple activities such as posters, websites, and card design are involved in this creative line. You can efficiently perform this skill to earn a living if you have a design skill or have a good hand at computer software. Furthermore, companies and individuals can launch their local and remote graphic design services. In particular, graphic designers must also develop their online presence before other players. The active social media sites and the website to show off their portfolio can do this. By following several points, you can also begin your business in graphic design. First, to get through this business, you must find your motivation. Enjoy learning new ideas and designs to achieve better graphics for your projects. Finally, learn the design principles and work on the projects to achieve better results. You can start with software for graphic design, which offers all templates and effects for the design. First, find and study the resources of graphic design and then find inspiration. Now begin to work on your projects. Distinguish talents from practice. Finally, in your graphic design business, you need to be patient and consistent. Next, you can turn the pictures on your phone into money. Yes, it's like selling your pictures and gaining money through them. You can get around $50 to $75 a picture. This is a photographer on demand. You have to sell 2 photos a day or more, and you can make an enormous amount from home with this. If you're a shutterbug, that's indeed a great opportunity. Many players will allow you to make money from the photos on your smartphone. For example, Snapwire is just one of the few apps which allow companies and ad agencies to shoot certain subjects to a set commission tasks. You can also submit pics of general interest for sale to your portfolio. Snapwire takes nothing from prices but a 50% fee on portfolio photos on requests and challenges. The average picture in the category of demands and challenges is between $50 to $75. Other platforms such as Dreamstime, IM, MePic, 2020, Folk, and Scoopshot are also available. At first, we have crypto trading. We are all aware of cryptocurrencies and crypto trading. It speculates on price movements in a cryptocurrency through a CFD commercial account or buys or sells the underlying coins by the exchange. Crypto trading is an emerging niche of financial markets that acts as an interacting players across decentralized ecosystems. They're so popular today that everybody can get a good deal of bucks a week. You can easily trade cryptograms. First, you must decide on how you want cryptocurrencies to trade. There are 2 ways to specify the prices with CFDs or to purchase digital currencies to help the value grow. Next, how the cryptocurrency market works should you know. It works in the other financial markets, making it essential to understand and learn how it works before trading begins. The crypto monetary market is a decentralized digital currency network that works through peer-to-peer transaction controls instead of a central server. When cryptocurrencies are sold or bought, the blockchain is supplemented with transactions. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.